Hey guys, it's Joey again with VegasDtech with a quick tech tip guide for you on windshield wipers. I know it's something as lame as windshield wipers, but have you ever had a time when you know you purchased brand new windshield wipers and you went to use it and the very first time it works, but then the very next time you use it, say 3 or 4 months later, it's just absolute garbage, where it goes up fine and then it comes down, brrr, up, and then brrr, and you're just like, I know that I just replaced them. And some of these wipers, guys, if you go to O'Reilly's and AutoZone, they're like $20 for just one wiper. Let me explain to you why that is happening, okay? So initially, guys, you have like a squeegee on this wiper, okay? And if I take my phone here and kind of reference this, what happens here is that when this thing goes up, the squeegee goes up like this. And then when the downstroke of the wiper comes down, the squeegee flips and it squeegees back down, okay? And when the wiper is brand new, you're gonna get that nice flow of it doing this, and you get that nice rake. Now, the reason for that is because when you first buy these wipers, they come with like a plastic guard like this right here, okay? That plastic guard is going to allow that blade to remain true and ready for you when you initially first use it. But what ends up happening is after you use it, when you shut your wiper down, it goes up and then it comes back down. It comes back down in a resting position to where it's squished, okay? It's squished in that bent position. And in the 2 months, 3 months, or 5 months that you don't use it, it bends it out of shape, and now you don't have that full wipe up and wipe down. Now, the way to alleviate that is gonna sound so stupid. The answer is don't throw these guards away, all right? Take them off, use the wiper, just throw these in the car somewhere, don't lose them. And then when you're done, try not to forget this little process, just put them back on. They actually slide right back into place, and slide them right back down to protect your wiper guard. And then just set them down. And what that's going to do is it's going to keep your blade nice and straight for the however many months that it sits there not used, and it won't allow it to flip or flop, making it do that and saving you some money. All right, guys, so hey, a real quick tech tip. I'm Joey, you're watching VegasDtech. I'll catch you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one now. Bye.